Removing the non-hot swap hard drive. This topic applies only to server models that support non-hot swap hard drives. To remove the non-hot swap drive, open the front door if it is in the configuration. Remove the server cover. Remove the front system fan. Disconnect the SATA signal cable and the power cable from the rear of the non-hot swap drive. Use the screwdriver to turn the handle lock clockwise to the unlocked position. Pull the handle and carefully slide the non-hot swap drive or the dummy tray out of the front of the chassis. Remove the 4 screws and then remove the drive from the drive tray.